What happened, Sameer? All okay?
No, Varun. I'm investing via SIP for 3 years, but the stock market is going through a bad phase. I'm thinking of stopping my SIP.
Okay, tell me one thing. Why did you start this SIP?
For Ria's higher education.
And Ria is in third standard right now. So you will use this money around 10 years later, isn't it?
That's right.
Then why are you bothered today? Continue your SIP and just chill. Stock market investment is not like an FD. In the short term, market is influenced by various domestic and international news and events, but in the long term, its growth is linked to the growth of the economy.
Yes, you're right. Instead of focusing on long term, I was unnecessarily getting worried of short term.
An early investment via SIP can help you achieve your financial goals. Stay invested in mutual funds even during tough market situations. An investor education initiative by HDFC Mutual Fund. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme related documents carefully.